Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make muffins moist. The secret to incredibly moist muffins lies in understanding a few key principles. We will explore how specific ingredients contribute to tenderness, the importance of proper mixing techniques, and the ideal baking conditions. By following these simple steps, you can consistently achieve perfectly moist and delicious muffins every single time, ensuring they are never dry or crumbly. To achieve that perfect moist texture, focus on your wet ingredients. Buttermilk, yogurt, or sour cream add tang and incredible tenderness. Consider adding mashed ripe bananas, applesauce, or pumpkin puree. These natural additions provide moisture and a subtle sweetness. Also, using oil instead of solid fats like butter often results in a muffin that stays moist for several days, thanks to its liquid state at room temperature, contributing to a softer crumb. Proper technique is crucial for moist muffins. Always mix your dry and wet ingredients in separate bowls first. Then, combine them gently, mixing only until just combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Overmixing develops gluten, resulting in a tough, dry muffin. For baking, start with a higher oven temperature, perhaps 425 degrees Fahrenheit, for 5 minutes to get a good dome. Then reduce it to 375 degrees Fahrenheit to finish baking evenly. Once your delicious muffins are baked, proper storage is key to maintaining their moisture. Allow them to cool completely on a wire rack before transferring them to an airtight container. To prevent them from becoming soggy, place a paper towel inside the container to absorb any excess moisture. Stored this way, your muffins will remain wonderfully moist and fresh for 2 to 3 days, ready to be enjoyed anytime, preserving that perfect texture you worked hard to achieve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.